If you today riding GS 1250, you should probably know that everything started with this BMW R75 motorcycle that was designed for the German army, and it has the sidecar with MG34, if I'm not wrong, right here. So this is the original one that was used on the Russian front in Operation Barbarossa. BMW R75 motorcycle. Look at the cylinders right here.
When you need a guns and ammo reference guide with tech specs and ballistics, or gun values 30 to 100%, and to print out over 22,000 gun manuals, schematics, blueprints with dimensions, and old guns and ammo catalogs, go to firearmsguide.com.
Original BMW. And as much as we can see right here, it has the panniers right there on the left hand side. One seat for the rider and the second one for the passenger, with this round thing where you could grab it to stabilize yourself. Spare wheel right there on a sidecar. Some additional panniers on both sides of a sidecar. Machine gun that can be moved from left to right depending on how you want it or how you need it. You could even take this MG34 off of the sidecar whenever you want it. And the sidecar has a lot of room inside of it with some storage behind the rider. So you could put 3 people on this thing and effectively ride it on the road and even off-road. For the wartime, you know, the front light was kind of dimmed down. Let's see speedometer right here on the light itself, from 0 to 100 kilometers. This was probably to turn on the light or off the front headlight. Check out the brakes. A little bit different design than today, but of course probably effective, why not? Let's check out the tires. Tires were pretty wide. They had to be. This is the heavy thing and it will go through the mud as well. This is the real original BMW R75 for Operation Barbarossa, for the Eastern Russian front with a sidecar. MG34, probably you would store the ammunition right here behind the rider in a sidecar. Spare tire over there. It will enable your troops to move rapidly, and you could spray the troops in front of you, your enemy, with over 900 rounds per minute from MG34. So even though this is just the motorcycle, it could be really deadly, especially if the passenger had the MP40. He could fire a lot of 9mm rounds while the rider was actually riding it. So wonderful piece of history. BMW R75.